How is, Spencer?
Yeah.
How is this problem different from the previous problems we have done so far?
Oh no.
They all have both of their numbers are in the hundreds.
Brady? Quinn says that both of these numbers have 3 digits. So far we've only done 3 digits times 2 digits, or 2 digits times 2 digits. Now we have 3 digits by 3 digits, okay? So don't write anything down yet, just eyes up here for a second. How do you think I'm going to set up my area model? What's the first thing we're going to do to set up our area model? Spencer.
I'm guessing you have to draw 2 of those lines.
Okay.
Like, you know how on the first one you draw 1 line?
Okay, so Spencer says let's draw 2 lines here.
No,
So-
not like that. We have like 1 big area and then 2 small areas.
No.
Okay, so I'm going to draw the 2 lines like you said. What else do you think we're going to do here? Mary.
You're going to put the 1 at the top and then the 80 at the bottom and then 400.
Are you
because you're-
going to be doing the same thing as you did, but just different?
Kind of. Mary, what's that? What are we doing?
So you're going to distribute, like, you're going to separate out the place values again.
Okay.
So you put the 1 at the top, the 80 at the, in the second, in the middle, and then the 400 at the bottom.
Okay, except careful. Which number do we say we put on the side and which number do we put on the top?
Oh,
Go ahead.
you put the 481.
All right, don't write this down yet. So we know we put the 481 up top because when we're multiplying, we multiply 2 by this number, 50 by this number, 300 by that number, right? We're not decomposing that. Or so we have it so far. So what am I going to put on the side here? Jonathan?
2,
Okay, a 2.
50,
50.
and a 300.
300, good. Do you remember in 4th grade when you learned the expanded form, you guys would have expanded 352 to 300 plus 50 plus 2?
Yeah.
You see here we took it 1 step further?
Yeah.
Okay, well for right now, that's what we're going to use. We're just going to expand this number by place value. So we have 2 plus 50 plus 300. Why are we doing the 2 first, then the 50, then the 300? Carson?
Because you're going by these two.
Right, and what was the reason though? What happens when we do the standard algorithm?
Same answer for that.
Right, in the standard algorithm, we would multiply the 2 out first. Then we would multiply the 50, and then the 300. Okay, now instead of putting the 481 up top, we're now going to decompose this number 2.
What?
Otherwise, we have too much work to do on the side. So how am I going to decompose 481, Chris?
1 plus 80 plus 100.
Good, except we're going to start from largest to smallest up top, okay? So we're going to do 400 plus 80 plus 1. Okay? So up top, we're going to put our largest numbers first. So when we add these, we go from large to small, okay? So now we're going to find the area. What is 2 times 400? Quinn?
800.
800, good, because we know 2 times 4 is 8, and we have those 2 zeros there. What about 400 times 50? Chris?
4 side would be 20, then you add 3 zeros and 2 zeros.
Perfect. Chris said 5 times 4 is 20. We write the number 20, and then we can add the 3 zeros there. What about 400 times 300? Someone walk me through that one, Anushka.
12,000. Wait, no, 110,000.
Good, because 4 times 3 is 12, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 120,000.
Wow.
Jonathan, what about 2 times 80?
120.
What's 2 times 8?
12. 16.
16. So 160. Good. 50 times 80. Brady?
400. No, 4,000.
Good. 4,000. Because what's 5 times 8?
40.
40. And then we have our 2 zeros. So we get 4,000. Jose, what about 300 times 80?
300 times 80 would be,
What's 3 times 8?
3 times 8 is
Good. 24. And how many zeros do we have?
I get it. Simple.
3. So it's going to be 24,000. Good. The last column here is really easy. Anything times 1 is itself. So 2 times 1 is what? 2. 50 times 1?
50.
And 300 times 1?
300. Then you add them all.
Brady, is that appropriate? Julia. And now we're going to add across, because remember last time we had the area of this entire section? The area of this entire section. So now we're going to add it up. So can anyone do the mental math? 800 plus 160 plus 2. Julia.
That equals 962.
Perfect. What about 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 50? Brady.
24,000.
24,050. And the last one, 120,000 plus 24,000 plus 300. More hands. Mary, what do you think?
300. 36,300.
Careful, this is 120,000 and 24,000.
I know this.
So 100,000, 120,000, 22,300.
Close, ready? 120,000
I got this.
plus 24,000
I know this. I know this.
plus 300. One more try, Mary.
100, 400, 1,000, 100,000, 144,300.
There you go, 144,000.
I know the grand total.
300. Now, we don't need to worry about the total right now because we're going to focus now on the standard algorithm, okay? Who wants to walk me through the first part of the standard algorithm? Carson, go ahead.
Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2.
So Carson says we're going to start with the 2. 2 times 1 is 2.
Okay, so 2 times, and then 2 times 8, so
2 times 8 is what?
2 times 8 is 16.
16. What am I going to do with the 1 and the 6?
Put the 6 under the 5.
Good, drop the 6. And carry the 1. And what do we multiply next?
2 times 4, which is 8, plus 1.
2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 gives us 9. Perfect. So we get 962. Notice that's the same thing we're getting here. Okay? All right. What are we going to do next? Walk me through the next part. Brady, go ahead.
You have to add the placeholders.
Okay.
of the 0 to find
We're going
out.
to put our 0 there.
5 times 1 is 5.
Good.
5 times 8 is 40, so you have to carry the 4 and put the 0.
Okay.
5 times 4 equals 20 plus the 4 would be 24.
Good. So we get 24,050. Notice that's the same thing we got here. And then the last one. What happens now? We haven't done this yet. We're going to now multiply the 3, which is in the
You add 2
hundred-
zeros.
Quinn.
Quinn.
Okay. We are now getting to the 300. Jonathan, what do we have to do here?
We have to add 2 zeros to the placeholder.
Why?
Good job. So,
Why are we adding 2 zeros?
because there are 2 placeholders.
Because we're in what place now?
100.
The hundreds, because we have to add 2 zeros now. Okay, I'm going to erase these numbers up here. All right, walk me through this. James, you want to walk me through this? Please. What are we going to do first? 3 times what? Is? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is what? What's 3 times 8, James? Brady, help him out.
24.
24. We're going to drop our 4, carry our 2, and then we're going to do 3 times 4, which is what? Spencer, 3 times 4?
Is 12. Wait, yeah, 12.
12?
Yeah.
Plus 2?
And 14.
14. Okay, and notice it's the same thing we got here. Okay? Add these up on your own and let's see what you get.
I got the total.
Add these up and see what you get.
Can I guide you? Come on.
Okay.
Wait, can I do it? 3.
2 plus 0 is 2.
11.
6 plus 5, Quinn?
11.
Drop your 1, carry your 1. 9 plus 1 plus 3.
Oh wait, no.
James. 9 plus 1 plus 3 is what?
13.
13. Drop your 3.
9.
Carry your 1. 1 plus 4 plus 4, Jillian? 9, good. 2 plus 4 is 6.
1.
You should have gotten 169,312.